The first what if I'll finish is BFDI Mini Resort, but rock, paper, scissors decided to eliminations. Episodes 10 and 11 haven't been released yet of this season. Where we last left off, Watermelon Slice was destroyed instantly, and Radio couldn't find a watermelon, so they're up for elimination. Radio wins with scissors. Since Radio might be the weakest of the three, I'll say that Beach Ball kills Radio first, and then he'll have an epic fight with Palmy. But this epic fight is very brief, as Palmy pops Beach Ball, putting Beach Ball and Radio up for the final elimination. Radio wins with paper. Even though it was the final two, almost everyone participated in the contest for unknown reasons, so it is impossible to predict who the winner will be. Since Radio was knocked out before Palmy, I'll say that Palmy wins her BFDI Mini Resort. Next up, what if Roller Skate survived in place of Birdie, episode 11. Where we last left off, Roller Skate pummeled Rafty into the ocean, but lost the fight against Watermelon Slice, so they're both up for elimination. Because he's a debuter, Roller Skate is eliminated. I think during the surfing race, Watermelon Slice will throw off Rafty, meaning Watermelon Slice will win the BFDI Mini Resort. Next up is another BFDI Mini Resort what if? What if Seashell joined in episode 3? Barely anything changed in episode 10 compared to episode 11, so Sunscreen and Beach Ball are for elimination. This is a canon elimination, so despite all odds, Beach Ball is eliminated. Because of how the 11th contest played out, Sunscreen's big mistake will cause Rafty and Sunscreen to be up for the final elimination. Despite all odds, Rafty is eliminated. I cannot decide on what the last contest will be, so I'll have to flip a coin to see who wins. The coin landed at tails, so Sunscreen wins the BFDI Mini Resort. Next up is BFDI Mini Resort, but the rejoin actually happens. Where we last left off, Sunscreen was exploded by Beach Ball, and Beach Ball was pummeled down to the ground by Palmy, so they're both up for elimination. This is a canon elimination, so despite all odds, Beach Ball is eliminated. This will be a very close battle between Sunscreen and Palmy, but in the end, Palmy will win the BFDI Mini Resort, breaking the rule of rejoiners never win again. Next, it's time to go to every BFDI Mini What If idea I have suggested by my viewers. There are 4 of them though. Watermelon Slice and Palmy had the worst photos for different reasons and are up for elimination. Originally, despite all odds, Palmy was eliminated. But for this what if, Watermelon Slice will be eliminated instead. I don't think anything changes with Palmy replacing Watermelon Slice, so Coconut Water and Sunscreen are still up for elimination. This is a canon elimination, so despite all odds, Coconut Water is eliminated. Birdie joins the game. After Rafty's boat bumps into Palmy's boat, Palmy will get mad at Rafty. But Rafty won't care and will start with the engine anyway, throwing Palmy off, while Palmy quickly gets back onto the boat. Pearl is still thrown off by Beach Ball. Pearl attempts to scramble into Sunscreen's boat, but she gets repelled. I think Palmy will spot Beach Ball and miss her shell's boat, so she'll get mad and go out to the boat. Palmy fights Beach Ball and miss her shell's boat, and wins, putting Beach Ball and Pearl up for elimination. This time I believe that Pearl is still eliminated. Beach Ball, Sunscreen, and Palmy will take the left door, while Rafty and Birdie still take the right. After Beach Ball finds the first treasure, Palmy will fight Beach Ball over it, but then they'll realize that Sunscreen stole it, putting both of them up for elimination. This is a tough call, but I believe that Palmy will be eliminated. This is the exact same final four as in canon, meaning Birdie wins the BFDI Mini Resort. This is my only what if to get suggested 3 times. In BFDI Mini 2, a duck was the last person to reach the target, though he did it off screen, putting Evidence Bag and Rose up for elimination. But in this what if, Evidence Bag finishes the contest before Duck does, putting a duck up for elimination. For the sake of this what if, I'll say a duck is eliminated. This time I believe that Pastel Feather will be caught cheating on frozen yogurt, putting Pastel Feather and Selfie Dog up for elimination. This is a parallel elimination with my pencil what if, so Pastel Feather is eliminated. I think Rose will finish before frozen yogurt, putting Glue and Evidence Bag up for elimination. This is a canon elimination, so Evidence Bag is eliminated. I think Rose will attack Selfie Dog from behind, putting Glue and Selfie Dog up for elimination. For some reason, I believe that Glue is still eliminated. I believe this challenge will be close to canon, but I believe that Rose and frozen yogurt will be up for the final elimination. For 2 reasons, I believe that Rose is eliminated. This is the exact same final 2 as in canon, so Selfie Dog wins the BFDI Mini. Originally, after a very close race, Red Current and Geode won the contest. But for this what if, they will land just short of the finish line, meaning Lotus Flower and Chestnut are up for rejoining. Lotus Flower was first booted and has a chance of redemption, and Chestnut is popular but doesn't do much. This will be a very close battle, but I believe that Lotus Flower will rejoin the game. I don't think much changes, so Aurora Borealis and Grapes are up for elimination. This is a canon elimination, so Aurora Borealis is eliminated. I don't know about Lotus Flower, but I believe that Beehive and Spruce Tree will still be up for elimination. I doubt anything will change with Lotus Flower replacing Red Currant. This is a canon elimination, so Beehive is eliminated after a tie. Grapes and Lotus Flower are up for the final elimination. This is a tough call, and I've lost all my motivation on what ifs, so I'm gonna end this video here.